Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Dogelon Mars, ELON, is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers depict it as a fair widespread cash for individuals and an interplanetary money utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a digital currency yet in addition a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Amusingly, you can get them with Ethereum, ETH. Despite the fact that this digital money has a huge and energetic local area, there are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital currency guide will reveal all that you really want to be aware of Dogelon Mars and its highlights. By the by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost forecast from 2022 to 2030. Tokenomics of Dogelon Mars ecosystem. Dogelon Mars cryptographic money is known as elon, and it is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that was sent off in April 2021. It's called elon, and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer in Dogecoin. It has great tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded on major decentralized trades with numerous symbolic matches. Binance offers the elon/USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing the name or an email address. The Dogelon Mars digital currency has circulated around the web via online entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of Dogelon Mars elon expanded in excess of multiple times and gave a huge return. The organization then, at that point, rose to the 150th situation regarding market capitalization. There was no token pre-sale in light of the fact that it is a fair widespread digital money. Subsequent to sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the leftover portion of the tokens are secured the Uniswap liquidity pool as elon and ETH matches, which will remain for eternity. They additionally put 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth around $100,000 at that point. Dogelon Mars Group then consumed, obliterated, the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from pulling out or gathering any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will just build over the long run. The Dogelon Mars Group showed that they wouldn't commit a floor-covering pull, a crypto trick in which designers siphon up the worth of their virtual cash, pull back however much they can, and dump the venture by consuming the liquidity supplier tokens. The Dogelon Mars pioneers cannot do so in light of the fact that they consumed the tokens they got for storing assets into the venture. The makers of this specific K9 coin are obscure, similar to the makers of its more unmistakable and laid-out cousins. That is a genuinely normal event for image coins, and financial backers definitely should practice alert while managing obscure coins to try not to succumb to vindictive practices, for example, floor covering pulls and leaf tricks. Elon has been available for a long time, making the possibilities of the coin being a trick generally low. Assuming you're pondering where to purchase Dogelon Mars, the top digital money trades for exchanging Dogelon Mars stock right presently are OKX, MEXC, CoinTiger, KuCoin, and DigiFinX. Dogelon Mars, ELON, current price. Dogelon Mars is as of now worth $0.0000028239669 Elon has moved -2.12% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,231,608. Dogelon Mars is presently positioned 152 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $154,986,613. Dogelon Mars, ELON, price prediction 2022. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, ELON. The elon cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.0000042359535. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. averaging $0.000003953556 and cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Elon is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000003388768. Dogelon Mars, ELON, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Dogelon Mars Elon cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Elon will before long outperform $0.00000705992226. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the Elon's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Elon will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.000000564798 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.00000062127318. Dogelon Mars, ELON, price prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.00000098838916 and Elon might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Elon is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.00000090367009 and a low of $0.000008471907 in 2024. Dogelon Mars, ELON, price prediction 2025. On the off chance that Dogelon Mars effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the Elon coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Elon will be green in 2025. The Elon is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.000001. with a base cost of $0.000001 and a typical cost of $0.000001. Dogelon Mars, ELON, price prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Elon cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.000000